Hey y'all, it's Mike with Florida Man Fishing. Today I'm going to be cleaning my boat, specifically trying to remove some rust stains on the bottom up by the bow. I was recently sent some cleaning products from my friends over at DITEC Marine, and today is going to be my first day trying them out. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. Alright, so as you can see here by the bow eye, this metal part right here, I've got these unsightly rust stains that run all down the bottom of the boat. And really what's happened here is over time, you've had beads of water just make their way down the boat carrying this rust, and then as it dries, it just forms this unsightly brownish, reddish color on the very front of the boat. I've tried numerous products to get this stain off and nothing has worked. So today I'm going to be using the Hull Bottom Cleaner from DITEC Marine, which claims to be able to remove these rust stains. And let's see if this works. Alright, so as you can see from my thumbs up at the end of the time-lapse video there, this product has completely removed all of the stubborn rust stains that I had on the bottom of my boat. Those stains had been there since I bought it over a year ago, and as I mentioned, I tried multiple products to remove it and nothing would get it off. This product removed these stains within about 5 minutes. If any of you are interested in buying this product among any others in its expansive lineup of boat cleaning products, if you use the code FloridaMan at checkout, you'll receive a nice discount. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sure to create some more videos soon about the proper cleaning of your boat.